Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the MERI Space Club Daily Space Bulletin. NAVIC satellites face setback. India urged to accelerate replacement. SES inches closer to India satellite entry. Rare comet breakup observed by Hubble. Geomagnetic storm and may light up skies. Rocket Lab launches new Earth observation satellite. China establishes technical committee to standardize satellite internet systems and services. Fluorescent ruby-like gem have been found on Mars for the first time. Astronomers uncover powerful cosmic events. Space becoming the next economic frontier. Global push towards moon bases accelerates. Today is Saturday, 21st March 2026. In mythology, Saturday is known as Shanivar, dedicated to Shani Dev, symbolizing discipline, justice, and karma. It falls on Shukla Paksha Tritiya as an auspicious lunar day associated with growth, positivity, and new beginnings. The day encourages patience, responsibility, and self-reflection. Devotees across the country may observe prayers, visit temples, and offer mustard oil and black sesame seeds to seek the blessings of Shani Dev and reduce planetary challenges. Charity and helping the needy are considered specially beneficial today. While the day is spiritually significant, it is advised to avoid starting important tasks during the Rahu, Kal, and instead focus on mindful actions, devotions, and personal discipline. The joyous festival of Eid al-Fitr is being celebrated today, bringing happiness and unity among communities, making the end of Ramadan and day begins with special prayers and continues with act of charity and celebration. Eid, one of the most important festivals in Islam, marks a time of joy, gratitude, and togetherness for Muslims across the world. Celebrated after the holy month of Ramadan, this festival, Eid al-Fitr, signifies the completion of a period of fasting, prayer, and spiritual reflection. Let's move on towards today's space thought. When you look at the stars, you realize how small you are. The quote given by Yuri Gagarin means that when we observe the vastness of universe, we understand how tiny we are in comparison. It reminds us to stay humble and not let ego control us. At the same time, it inspires awe and curiosity about the infinite cosmos. It also shows that despite our small size, our thoughts and dreams can still be limitless. Indian news are NAVIC satellite face setback, India urged to accelerate replacement. India's NAVIC satellite system developed by ISRO has reportedly faced disruption as several satellites have gone defunct. Experts suggest accelerating the production and the launch of new satellites, including possible use of foreign heavy lift rockets to restore critical navigation services and strengthen India's strategic capabilities. SES inches closer to India satellite entry. SES is close to entering Indian satellite communication market and experts final regulatory and approval within weeks. In partnership with Geo Platforms, the company is already preparing infrastructure and aims to expand connectivity, especially in rural and remote areas. Rare comet breakup observed by Hubble. Scientists have captured a rare event of a comet breaking into multiple fragments, offering new insights into the early solar system. Geomagnetic storm may light up skies. A moderate solar storm is expected to peak around March 21, increasing chances of visible auroras and impacting space weather conditions. Rocket Lab launches new Earth observation satellite. A private mission is launching a radar imaging satellite to improve disaster monitoring and urban planning from space. International news are China establishes technical committee to standardize satellite internet systems and services. China has established a national technical committee to standardize satellite internet systems and services, aiming to support the rapid growth of low Earth orbit satellite networks. The move is expected to improve coordination, reduce space congestion risks, and strengthen satellite internet as a key pillar of the country's digital economy. Fluorescent ruby-like gems have been found on Mars for the first time. NASA's Perseverance rover has detected tiny grain of corundum minerals that form rubies and sapphires inside Martian rocks. Scientists identified these precious elements using rover's advanced SuperCam instrument, marking a significant step in understanding Mars' geological history. Astronomers uncover powerful cosmic events. Astrologers around the world are observing intense cosmic events involving black holes and distinct galaxies, revealing powerful energy bursts and mysterious phenomena. These new findings are helping scientists better understand the evolution of the universe and could redefine existing theories about the space and time. Space becoming the next economic frontier. Space is rapidly emerging as the next major economic frontier, with innovations in satellite, internet, space mining, and tourism driving unprecedented growth. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are leading effort to expand commercial space activities, opening up trillion-dollar opportunities and transforming space into a hub for global business and investments. Global push towards moon base accelerates. The global race to establish a human presence on the moon is intensifying, with space agencies like NASA, ISRO, and CNSA actively planning permanent lunar bases. These missions aim to create sustainable habitats, support long-term research, and use the moon as a launchpad for the future deep space exploration, bringing humanity closer to turning space fiction into reality. And that concludes today's Space Bulletin. This is Ashveen Bedi signing off for the day. Stay tuned for the latest updates.